There's Theo bouncing. Just figured out how to bounce. Got some twinkle toes down there. He gets serious about it too. Hi, buddy. Let's see those twinkle toes. And he gets serious about his bouncing. You get serious about that bouncing, huh, buddy? Are you looking at what this thing is? I thought I turned on that light. I turned on the wrong light. It's a little dark in here. You ready to go get some food soon, buddy? I think your left leg gets most of the workout. What's that? Let's turn down that racket, huh? Oopsies. There we go. Ooh, good job. Turning the page. Attaboy. You want to spin this? Good job. Good job. You're growing up overnight, huh? Yeah. Woo. Woo. You're going to want to jump right on out of there, huh? You ready to go get some food? You want to get some food? Making sounds. Do 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 do. Boop 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 boop. What are you doing? What are you looking at? Bounce, bounce, bounce. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, tired? 2-hour nap not good enough for you? Huh? I think that was over 2 hours. I think that was 2.5 hours, buddy. Okay, say goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Say goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Huh? You're so zoning out on.